Hi everyone, this is Marielle again from Land Direct USA, your source of quality and affordable land. Now we have here a 0.3 acre lot. This is again at Boat Ramp Road in Fritch, Texas, which is at Hutchinson County. Now the lot is just close to Lake Meredith and Canadian River, which is few of the main attractions in Fritch. Now on the side here we have some gallery photos. It will show you some aerial views, some actual photos of the area as well. So as you can see, the lot is just super close to Canadian River, which is a perfect spot for fishing, boating, swimming. Also, the area is surrounded by several parks and hiking trails. Now, here are some actual photos of the nearby area. Now, if we're going to go back and scroll down a bit, you will see here property details, and the green one is the buyer's application form. At the bottom of the website, you will see here our full screen view of the lot. Now, this is powered by our MapRight software. Just click in View Full Screen and you will be directed to an interactive map. Now, the map will show you dimensions and borders of the lot. You can also check the surrounding environment and what type of road access the property has. So this is your rectangular shaped lot, and also adjoining lots is available. And you can see it's situated in a nice neighborhood. Now the primary transportation route in this area is US Route 136, which runs through the city and connects Fritch to other nearby cities such as Borger on the east. We have here Amarillo down south, and here's Pampa. I'm just gonna show you further east. We have here Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Now, if you're interested with this lot, it's available at landdirectusa.com with cash discount price of only $7,500. We offer seller financing with no credit check required. You just need to fill up the buyer's application form, put in a down payment of only $200 to reserve the lot, or if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call us at 928-515-3510. Thank you.